If the tax season has come and you wonder how to fill your W-9 form, watch this quick tutorial. You can download the W-9 form from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. After you download the form, open PDF Extra software, which will allow you to edit and fill your U-9 form. Click the Open tab and then browse your computer to choose the form. The W-9 form will appear in the user interface, enabling you to start filling it automatically. Firstly, you need to provide your name. In the first line, enter your legal name as it appears on your tax returns. If you're filling out the form on behalf of a business entity, enter the business name instead. If you are completing the form as an individual, check the box for individual. If you're filling it out on behalf of a business entity, select the appropriate business type. Step 4 is for exemptions. If you are exempt from backup withholding, you need to specify the reason by checking the appropriate box in Part 2 located under this page of your document. If you're unsure whether you qualify for an exemption, consult a tax professional. Next, you need to provide your address on lines 5 and 6. This should be the address where you currently reside or where your business is located. Under step number 6 is taxpayer identification number 10. Enter your taxpayer identification number. For individuals, this is generally your Social Security number. If you're completing the form for a business entity, use the employer identification number, IN, assigned to the business by the IRS. Lastly, review the certification statement which states that the information you've provided is accurate. Sign and date the form in Part IE, I to certify your compliance. You are ready to submit the form. Provide the completed W-9 form to the person or organization that requested it from you. Typically, this will be a company or individual that needs your information for tax reporting purposes. Note that the W-9 form is not submitted to the IRS unless requested by the payer. Instead, they use the information you provide on the form for their own records and for issuing tax-related documents such as Form 1099. Remember, this tutorial is a general guide, and it's always a good idea to consult a tax professional or refer to the IRS instructions for any specific questions or concerns regarding your unique tax situation.